Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get started investing on acorns. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to save money and grow your wealth. Investing is a great way to do that, but it can be intimidating if you're not sure where to start. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of setting up an acorns account and starting to invest. I'll also discuss some of the different investment options available and how to choose the right one for you. So, if you're ready to learn how to get started investing on acorns, stay tuned. Have you ever wondered how you could be saving more money? Or how you could grow your wealth? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started investing on acorns. This is a great way to save money and grow your wealth, even if you're not a financial expert. I'll walk you through the steps of setting up an acorns account and starting to invest. I'll also discuss some of the different investment options available and how to choose the right one for you. So, if you're ready to learn how to get started investing on acorns, stay tuned. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about the importance of investing. Investing is a great way to save money and grow your wealth over time. This is because your money can earn interest or dividends, which can help it grow faster than it would if you simply kept it in a savings account. Of course, there are risks involved with investing. But, if you're willing to take on those risks, you can potentially achieve a higher return on your investment than you would with other savings options. Now that we've talked about the importance of investing, let's get started on how to get started investing on acorns. How to get started investing on acorns. Create an acorns account. The first step is to create an acorns account. You can do this by going to the Acorns website or downloading the Acorns app. Once you've created an account, you'll need to link your bank account. This will allow Acorns to automatically transfer money from your bank account to your investment account. Choose your investment strategy. There are a few different investment strategies available on Acorns. You can choose to invest in a single stock or ETF, or you can choose to invest in a portfolio of stocks and ETFs. If you're not sure which strategy is right for you, you can use the Acorns app to take a quiz that will help you determine your risk tolerance. This quiz will then recommend a few different investment strategies for you. Set your investment amount. Once you've chosen your investment strategy, you'll need to set your investment amount. You can choose to invest a fixed amount each month, or you can choose to invest a percentage of your income. Start investing. Once you've set your investment amount, you're ready to start investing. Simply click the Invest button and Acorns will automatically transfer money from your bank account to your investment account. Here are a few additional tips for getting started investing on acorns. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Diversify your investments. This will help you reduce your risk. Be patient. It takes time for investments to grow. Don't expect to see results overnight. Do your research. Before you invest in any stock or ETF, be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. Use the Acorns app to track your progress. The Acorns app will show you how your investments are doing over time. I hope this video has helped you learn how to get started investing on acorns. Investing is a great way to save money and grow your wealth, even if you're not a financial expert. By following the tips in this video, you can get started on the path to financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. If you're ready to get started investing on acorns, click the link below and sign up for a free account. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.